In our previous session, we had discussed on how you build your website, keeping in mind all SEO factors. We've discussed about the site structure, the URL architecture, content, HTML sitemap, on-page optimization like meta tags, image tags, header tags, link anchor tags, the knowledge graph, and the customer journey. Today we will be discussing as to what you do once you have implemented all important SEO factors in your website, the steps that you follow after that. Once everything is implemented in your website, you need to have it indexed by Google so that it appears in the search engine result page. You also need to market your content to generate quality backlinks and referral traffic. So first we will be discussing as to how you go ahead indexing your website. Always remember, once you're dealing in search engine optimization, it is always recommended to use a single Google login for Google Analytics, Google Webmasters, Google AdWords, Google My Business. Google AdWords helps you research your keywords. This is something we had discussed last time. Google Webmasters helps you index your website and monitor your website's health. This is something we will discuss today. Google Analytics is a tool that tells you how your website has overall performed through mobile and through desktop. That we will discuss in the next session. Google My Places or Google My Business is a tool that helps you get your address or listings listed in Google Maps. So if you're searching for a company name, a particular organization, you need to know where its physical location is. Google My Business helps you integrate your location using Google Maps. Okay, now coming to indexing of website. Once your website has been structured and all SEO factors have been implemented, you log into Google Webmasters or Google Search Console. Always remember, it will be the same Gmail ID that you will have for Google Analytics, AdWords, Google My Places, because these tools have a feature where you can configure data from another tool. So Google Analytics helps you configure data from AdWords from Google Webmasters. Google Webmasters helps you configure data from Google Analytics. Google AdWords helps you configure data from Google Webmasters. So it is important that you use a single login. How to proceed? Once you have logged into Google Webmasters, you go to Google and you type submit URL to Google. You click on the link and this is the page that you appear in, that you are redirected to. You have to submit your home page URL. The home page is the most important page of your website. That is the URL that you need to submit, because every other pages or files is an extension. So if you have a website xyz.com, you will submit that URL here. Your services pages can read xyz.com/services. Your About Us page can read xyz.com/About Us. Your Contact Us page can read xyz.com/Contact Us. So you submit your website homepage URL here, and all other extensions are automatically indexed by Google. Next, how do you go about building a webmaster's profile? Once you have logged in, you get an option to add a property. The property is your website. You type in the name of your homepage of your website and you press on continue. Once you've done that, you get two methods to verify that you own the website and you are the one managing the entire website. You have to verify by either Google Analytics or through HTML file upload, HTML tag upload, domain name provider, or Google Tag Manager. With Google Analytics, this is where the importance of having a single Gmail account comes into play. If you have a Google Analytics account and Google Webmaster's account with a single Google login or Gmail login, and you are the owner of the website, all you need to do is click on the verify button for this particular website and your listings will be verified. Always remember, you need to be the owner. When I say owner, you need to have complete admin rights over the website in every other Google platform. AdWords, Webmasters, Analytics, Google My Business, Tag Manager, every other thing that Google provides you to. Alternate methods, HTML file upload. An HTML file you will need to download to your site from Google Webmasters and then upload it to the root. HTML tag, you need to add a meta tag to your site's homepage. Google will provide you a meta tag. Domain name provider, you need to tell Google what your domain name provider is. And Google Tag Manager, if you are using a Google Tag Manager account, it has the same login credentials as Google Analytics and Google Webmasters. You can simply select that and click verify. Everything will be done. Once you have verified your Google Webmaster profile, you will be directed to a dashboard. In the dashboard, you will get to know what are the crawling errors that Google has identified when indexing your website. Search Analytics will tell you which are the queries that your website appeared for in Google search results and which are the queries that generated clicks to your website. If you submit an XML sitemap to Google, Google will tell you what was the total number of URLs present in the XML sitemap, what is the total number of URLs that Google has indexed from that XML sitemap, and what are the amount or number of sitemaps that you've submitted to Google. You can submit multiple sitemaps to Google, XML sitemaps. We will discuss that later.